You ever make a crochet fishtail before? If not, you're watching the right tutorial. This stitch is super cool from the front and the back, and it works great on edging, or my favorite for purse straps because it's extra sturdy. Alright, so we're just going to hop directly into this tutorial and see how it's done. We have our working yarn right here and our tail. Our tail we are going to wrap around the hook like so. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through both these two loops. We're only wrapping that tail for that first stitch right there. So now we're going to drop that tail. As you can see, there's two bars, bar 1 and bar 2. We're going to insert our hook into bar 2 right here. Now yarn over and pull through those two loops on your hook. Now pull up a little again. We're going to do it again. See, bar 1, bar 2. Insert your hook into bar 2. Yarn over and pull through both those loops on the hook. I'll show you one more time. Bar 1, bar 2, insert it into bar 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. You're going to continue that until it's as long as you want. Let me show you what it looks like a little bit longer.